Hello and welcome to our Sunday, and today is again Pancake Day. Not officially, but Sunday is Pancake Day in my house. And instead of doing a normal frying pan like I would normally do, if you can check out the last pancake video a couple of weeks ago. I'm not going to show you how to make the pancakes or how I make my pancakes because I've already made it. Just check back the video. I'll link it in the description below if you want to see it. However, I have a new pan which is pretty much designed for eggs and pancakes. So we're gonna kind of be reviewing this pan. I can't remember what it is called, so I'll put that in the description below as well. But let's get in it. Alright, so what I am doing is I'm heating the pan up, and I'm just going to put what little oil I have left there. But what I'm going to do with this oil is I'm going to get a paper towel and just lightly go through it, and the oil stays on here. So hopefully we can get the whole. Let's put it over here. Hopefully we can get the whole pancakes done with this. So to try and get the pancakes out, I'm going to try and use this to try and wedge them out. I'm also going to experiment with this as well, but it's a bit, I think it'll just destroy the pan, to be honest. So I think I'm going to stick with this. So we're just going to do a nice light pancake there. Just try and cover the whole thing. Like that. Just give it a shake so it covers everywhere. And let them cook. I think I picked this up for about £29 off Amazon. If you like what you're hearing in the background, it is Harris Heller's Stream Beats, if you can hear it at all. Right, I'm gonna try and so where this is the only issue with it is the picking the pancakes up. No, I folded that one. No, that's going to be a folded one. We'll just cook that one for a wee bit longer, I think. See, that's the only issue with it, but you do get quite nice. I think it might be cooking it too high. I'm going to lower the temp a wee bit. That's the first time that's happened. I've only used this. This is the second time I'm using this pan technically, but you get a nice pancake. Like that. There we go. It's alright. I'm just going to turn this. Just going to turn this one over, just so we know that underneath is cooked as well. So while that's doing that, I'm going to re-rub the pan. So the pan does come disassembled. It comes with 2 screws, but you only need one, and it just goes in the bottom there. There we go. Maybe that's how you do it. Right, I'm going to try and where's that going? I'm going to try and do a wee bit less batter this time. See how these ones turn. Oh, that was a wee bit much. See how these ones turn out. Again, just spread them. I think I'm going to need a wee bit more sugar. I screwed that one up a wee bit, but slightly bigger pancakes. Well, no, that's actually not completed. So there's only one. It's kind of screwed up. It's all part of the learning process, isn't it? Oh, I just span that there. How did I get a wee bit of pancake? Hopefully I didn't get pancake mix over the lens. Yep, that's... Oh, I'll just use my oil. Oops. Fail! Natural reaction just to do that. That's why I done that. Screw it, I'll fix it there. Alright, I'm gonna try and flip these ones. Well, not flip them obviously, but it would be nice if there was an easier way to flip them and get them out, but I'm not complaining because it does give you a lot of pancakes. It's like, they're still cooking, so if you saw my McDonald's pancake video, hit the like button. If not, go and have a look at it now. I'm also back to streaming on my Twitch channel at 4DXT, if you fancy come and have a... So I hope you enjoyed my kind of review show off of my pancake pan. I'll put the Amazon link down below. It's not an affiliated one or anything, it will just be the genuine Amazon link, so I earn nothing from that. But this, from that 300 mils and whatever, you know, the mixture I make, you get 17 pancakes. I could have probably got 18 because of that, you know, the one where I spilled it all, or you know, like I poured a wee bit extra on, so you could get, you know, maybe 20-ish pancakes out of that mix if you're a bit conservative with the whole thing. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please like it, hit the comments down below, send a message saying hello, I'll get back to you. If you've got any questions, fire away. And if you did enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button, it means a lot. Thank you for watching, goodbye.